Hello guys, welcome to Gossipfunda. This is Abhiyanshu Rao and today's video is a very special video because today I am going to tell you 3 life-changing Android tips and tricks for 2023 which will make your life and working way more easier than before. So please watch this video till the end. The first tip will help you to extend your battery life automatically. Just go to settings, go on to battery, click on power saving mode. Then turn on this option. Then specify the battery levels at which this feature will automatically get activated. I have set it at 30%. So when the battery levels will come at 30%, power saver mode will automatically get activated. This will extend your battery life. There is one more option to turn off power saving mode automatically when the battery is charged to 60% or in the range between 60 to 100%. If we come back, here is the option phone battery usage. If you are like me, like I forget where my time is gone when I pick up my phone, this will help to know where you spend or on which app you spend most of your time so that you don't do it again because time is money, man. Tip number 2 is basically for your safety while you are driving or bike riding. Safety is important, as you know. And when you are driving or riding, there are so many notifications, alerts and unwanted calls come in your phone that can distract you, and this distraction can also lead to an accident. By activating this feature, your journey will become more safer than before. Just go on to settings, click on smart services, then go on to smart driving feature and turn on this feature. You can see this feature is activated now. This was for car driving, and if you are riding a bike or something, then go back, click on riding mode and turn on this feature. Here you can see this feature is activated now. Here you also having an option do not disturb riding. Under this feature you can allow specific contacts to call you while you are riding. This will save you from unwanted calls while you are riding. Third tip is for working professionals or video makers, YouTubers, teachers or anyone who is wanting to give mobile presentation. This is very helpful for them, and for this you don't need to download any other app. Everything is already in your Android OS. Go on settings, click on additional settings. Turn on this front camera. In my Android OS, it is already activated. This will record a video with the front camera when you are explaining something on your mobile screen and taking a screen recording of it. For audio, you have to turn on this recorder microphone sound button. You can also change the video resolution, that is, the quality of the video which will be recorded. I have set it on high resolution. Let's try this feature and see the result. Here's a document I have written, which you can see I can scroll also. Let's click on this link and open it. You can see. Now we will skip it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow,
You can see trailer is started. This feature will record both microphone audio and so that's how it goes. I hope guys you like this video. Do share it with your friends and do comment your valuable suggestions. See you in the next video.
You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the